Hello, I'm John Leslie, and today I'm going to show you how I fixed my old pair of glasses. Let's take a look at those frames.
Hello everyone, these are my Gunmetal Gray Brooks Brothers glasses, and over time, the paint has faded away. The lenses are all scratchy, and the extra coating that they put on the lenses to keep the UV rays out, well, it doesn't look too great now, does it? The first step to repairing our glasses is to go ahead and remove those lenses. Let's start with the right side, then we'll work our way to the left. Alright folks, this is where you use your 1/16 by 1.5 inch slotted screwdriver to go ahead and disassemble the rest of your glasses frames. Now that includes the arms that go over your ears as well as the nose pieces. As soon as you get all those pieces disassembled, clean them up, and then we'll be ready for the next step. A word of caution, when you're taking apart your glasses frames, you're going to have those little teeny tiny screws that are going to want to just roll away. What I did to keep them safe was I went ahead and put them in my glasses case so they wouldn't roll away and they wouldn't get lost. Now in this step, I'm going to go ahead and sand the paint off the outside of my glasses frame. You'll notice that I'm starting off with the number 1 sander that I got from the MeGuiar's red box there. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep working the frames. I only did the frames, I did not do the arms that go over my ear. I wanted that contrast there, I like the gold with the silver, with the gunmetal gray. So I went ahead and just left everything the way it was except for the frames themselves. So, also, you'll notice that my number 1 pad here is a little bit beaten up. That's because I used that one on my lenses first. I would recommend that when they are brand fresh, you use these sanding pads on your lenses first, and then you start working on the frames. You can do any order that you like, that's just the way I'd recommend, because the pads will be fresh then, right out of the box. Whatever sanding device you're using, whether it be the sanding block from MeGuiar's box, or if you're using sandpaper from the hardware store, make sure you thoroughly take all this paint off to avoid complications later on down the road. Alrighty then, so we're almost to paint time. I can smell the paint booth already. Now what I'm going to do before I get to the paint is I'm going to go ahead and make sure that every speck of paint, every speck of dust is completely off these glasses. Brush it, 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 brush it. Yeah, brush it. Rub-a-dub-dub. It's time for taping. Who's ready for some gold? We got our glasses frames all taped up. Let's go to the paint booth. Rust-Oleum spray paint to get the job done. Now you'll notice I have two different cans of spray paint here. They have the same color, but they have completely different purposes and they give you completely different results. The white can of metallic finish does not hold up, while the metallic paint and primer is meant for metal and it holds up perfectly, and to this day I still have that metallic paint and primer on my glasses. I didn't have to do any kind of reworking at all on the metallic finish. I had to spray paint my glasses about 2 or 3 times before I finally ran out of the can. So don't go for the cheap stuff. You should be spending about $9, maybe upwards of $10 on the Rust-Oleum metallic paint and primer, and not the $4 or $5 that it takes to purchase the Rust-Oleum bright coat metallic finish. That's the white can. Don't go cheap on the paint or else you'll pay the price down the line. Here's one last look at the finished product. Enjoy your glasses and stay gold and keep rockin'. Yeah.
Hey everyone, this is John Paul Leslie. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, I've got more videos on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay gold and keep rocking. Love it.